Okay, so you want to know how to open a game in your second monitor on Steam? Well, I have the solution for you. It's very simple. The first thing you have to do is to launch the game you want to play in the second screen. In my case, it could be Phasmophobia. So I'm going to open it like this. Okay, so once you're in the game, the first thing you have to press is Alt key and Enter key at the same time to enter windowed mode and move the screen to the other screen like I'm doing right now. So as you can see, wait a second, I'm going to change the display. As you can see, I have the game in the other screen, like this. And the other solution, if Alt and Enter doesn't work, you have to go to Options in the game, whatever game you're playing, go to Video Settings, and change the full screen mode to windowed mode, and then you will be able to move the screen to the another screen. And then you can go back to full screen like this, and the game will be in the screen you desire. So if this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, share. See you in the next video of Easy Way. Goodbye.